Hello everyone, in this video we have been given under root of 10 plus root 24 plus root 40 plus root 60 equal root A plus root B plus root C. A less than B less than C. Now we are going to find the value of A plus B plus C. Answer: under root of 10 plus root 24 plus root 40 plus root 60 equal root A plus root B plus root C. Now under root of 10 plus root 24 plus root 40 plus root 60 equal under root of 10 plus root 24 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 plus root 40 equal root 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 plus root 60 equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 equal under root of 10 plus 2 into root 2 into root 3 plus 2 into root 2 into root 5 plus 2 into root 3 into root 5 equal under root of 10 equal 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 common, then 2 into root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 into root 5 plus root 3 into root 5, then equal under root of 2 equal root 2 whole square plus 3 equal root 3 whole square plus 5 equal root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 into root 5 plus root 3 into root 5. A plus B plus C whole square equal A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA, then equal under root of root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 whole square equal root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5, then root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 equal root A plus root B plus root C, then root A equal root 2, root B equal root 3, root C equal root 5, root A equal root 2, squaring on both sides, then we get A equal 2, root B equal root 3, squaring on both sides, then we get B equal 3, root C equal root 5, squaring on both sides, then we get C equal 5, then A plus B plus C equal 2 plus 3 plus 5 equal 10. Thus, our answer A plus B plus C equal 10.